Today, I'll be showing you how to install Portraiture Professional Suite inside Adobe Photoshop Creative Cloud 2023. So let's get started. First, we have to install the Portraiture into the right location. Click Next. Agree, then go to Browse. Go to your Drive C. OK, open Program Files. Go to Common File, Adobe, locates Plugins. Open the plugins, then click on CC. OK, then next. Drive C. Program Files, Adobe, then select Adobe Photoshop 2023. OK, click Yes. Yes, and Yes. Then install. Click Finish after installation. We're going to launch Adobe Photoshop. Wait till it opens. So you can select any picture. From the menu bar, go to Filter. Click on Imagenomic. Now you will see Noise Where, Portrait and Real Grain. Accept. Congratulations, you just installed Portraiture Professional Suites inside your Photoshop CC 2023. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share this video.